Yes, student, here are some more important reactions of alkyl amine as well as aliphatic amine. The most important reaction even of the chapter is carbyl amine reaction. Many times this reaction is asked in the exam. It is because the compound formed by it have a great industrial importance. Getting? As well as this reaction is used to distinguish primary amines with secondary and tertiary amine. It is because this reaction is only given by primary aliphatic amine and primary aromatic amine, but not secondary and tertiary amine. What is the reaction when aliphatic amine? You can call it simply what? Ethane amine. Ethane amine reacts with a chloroform, okay, and alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide. It forms ethyl isocyanide. Look at here the term used what? Ethyl isocyanide. Here double bond and one lone pair donated from N to C. This compound is called ethyl isocyanide, or this is called carbyl amine. This compound is commonly called what? Carbyl amine. Therefore, the reaction is named as carbyl amine reaction. Similarly, aliphatic amine, that is what? Aniline, also reacts with the same chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. It forms phenyl isocyanide. Again, this is called carbyl amine. Okay, so this reaction is used to distinguish primary and secondary amine. Okay, the reaction of next one, the reaction of amines with aldehydes and ketones. Student, we have already checked this reaction in the chapter of aldehydes and ketone. That time I told you that the aldehyde and ketone chapter can be utilized with each and every chapter of our organic chemistry. Okay, so you have seen there the condensation addition reaction. Condensation addition reaction with removal of simple molecule like water. If you rewind, you can see it. What is this reaction? When ethyl amine reacts with aldehyde, okay, it forms, look at this compound here. Here to here, this compound is known as 1,2 carbon. Therefore, this become ethylidene. Okay, and here to here, it become what? Ethylamine. So the compound name is simply known as ethylidene, and one more time what? Ethylamine. Ethylamine from which portion? From this portion. This is become what? Ethylamine, and this portion is ethylidene. This compound is simply known as sheep base. So the formation of sheep's base takes place by this reaction. Similarly, if you react ketone, okay, this is what? Acetone. It also forms sheep base, but the name of sheep base will change. How it is? It will be changed. It will change as from here to here. The compound will become what? Isopropyl. Isopropylidene. Okay, isopropylidene, and from here to here it become ethylamine. Ethylamine. Getting? Similarly, aniline, that is aromatic amine, also reacts with benzaldehyde. Now we are taking again what? Which type of aldehyde? Aromatic aldehyde, what? Benzaldehyde, to form benzidine, like ethylidene and isopropylidene, that become what? Benzidine aniline. Okay, so here that become benzidine and that become what? Aniline. So the compound become benzidine aniline. With this, today's topic is completed.